skin like you never even left my mind.
Beautiful babes, I wanted to pop on today for a quick video because you've asked about it and I'm here to bring it to you. So if your face is looking tired, puffy, and just not giving what it's supposed to give, as I always say, baby, this right here is what you need. We are going to be using something you probably already have in your kitchen, instant coffee, and we're turning it into a powerful anti-aging facial. Let me tell you this. Coffee helps tighten and wake up your skin. And we have other ingredients that I want to share with you that, baby, again, you already have them, I'm pretty sure. This natural anti-aging facial uses simple ingredients, so they're not going to be hard to find. And this facial mask is going to be perfect for, again, puffy skin, dull skin, fine lines, uneven tone, and tired looking skin. Let's dive into these ingredients, beautiful babes. We are taking 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. As I said, coffee helps tighten and wake up your skin. Put that in the bowl. Next up, we're talking about something I use all the time, and that's honey. Honey adds moisture and glow to the skin. We're using 1 tablespoon of this honey right here. And finally, listen, yogurt. I talk about plain yogurt all the time, or you can use plain Greek yogurt. You can use sour cream, but listen, yogurt is one of those things that gently exfoliates and smooths everything out. Put in 1 tablespoon of yogurt. This is an easy mix. A tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now mix it up, baby. Mix it up until it's nice and creamy. Love this so much. Now we're going to apply it evenly all over our face. And I know you didn't already wash your face because you're not going to use a mask on a dirty face, right? Yeah, let's do that. And listen, on this mask, don't forget the under eyes, but be gentle, okay? And you're just going to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes. That's it. That's all you need. Now, this mask is going to help again with reducing puffiness, and it's going to help in tightening your skin and giving you that fresh, awake, glowing look. I love facial masks. Y'all already know I am a sucker for one. I can do one every single freaking day of the week. All right. Now, the results. Rinse it off and look at that. Skin looking smooth, lifted, and alive. Oh, I love it. You want to know how often you can use this? Girl, try it 2 to 3 times a week for your greatest results, okay? 2 to 3 times a week. I know I bring a lot of info to the channel, but listen, you should be using what works for you and what is needed for your routine, for your skin. What are you trying to work on? I have a lot of beautiful babes and they're all asking different questions about different things. So I share many skincare DIYs that is for a variety of people. But you choose what you're working on, the mask that is going to take care of you. And beautiful babes, this is it. Now, we are not walking around looking tired. We are glowing. We are lifted and we are showing up just like that. Okay, I'm out of here, but I will be back. You already know. Y'all stick and stay right here. Like, comment, subscribe, and please share me with your world. Toodles.
Yeah, you said I'm looking good, but I'm trying to look better.